Hey, what's up guys? It's me Ubaid and you are watching Tech Expode. Today I'm back with a brand new video and it's time to take a look on brand new laptop which is 2019 13-inch Razer Blade Stealth. Before going further, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel for more and click the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's get started. Razer modernizes its 2019 13-inch Blade Stealth for both work and play. Slightly smaller and sleeker with improved graphics options and a new keyboard, the new Blade Stealth looks ready for business and player. Razer does not make any radical changes to a simple black slab design with the 2019 Razer Blade Stealth. But thinner monitor bezels make it look sleeker and allow the same display to fit into a slightly smaller footprint. It's made out of the same machined aluminum as Razer's other premium laptops. Razer's last year update to its 13-inch Blade Stealth ultra portable laptop makes it a little smaller, a little lighter and a little more powerful. Smaller monitor bezels and a bigger touchpad brings the Stealth up to date in both look and feel, and allow Razer to shrink the laptop's footprint. The keyboard now uses rubber dome switches and no longer offers perky RGB lighting, only a single zone. Razer step up the stealthiness by toning down the glowing green three-headed snake logo. Instead sticking with an unobtrusive basic black that won't stand out in meetings. The new Blade Stealth comes in 3 configurations, starting at $1399. All of which use a quad-core Intel i7-8565U processor. The base model has 8GB RAM and a 256GB SSD, a 1920x1080 pixel Full HD display and integrated graphics. The middle model adds a discrete NVIDIA MX150 GPU and ups to 16GB RAM, while the top configuration incorporates a 4K touchscreen and increases storage to 512GB. Both displays are factory calibrated to 100% sRGB, and the Blade Stealth uses the higher power variant of MX150 with 4GB VRAM. An updated variant of Razer Snap software works with NVIDIA Optimus technology to provide control over performance and in turn fan noise. Razer claims 13 hours of battery life, a little better than before thanks to lower power display panels. It does preserve its portitude relative to other ultra portables, with 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C connections, one of which sports Thunderbolt. You will still need to dongle it for HDMI and Ethernet, which tells the luster a tiny bit for business use. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out.